I want to show you how to create this whip pan transition in Premiere Pro. Go over to your project panel and right-click, select New Item, Adjustment Layer, then accept the default settings and drag it above your two clips on the timeline. Now go over to Effects and search for Offset and Gaussian Blur, and add both effects to your adjustment layer. Move your timeline slider so that it's perfectly centered between your two clips, then move back 5 frames. Now go over to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon for both Shift Center to as well as blurriness, and modify blur dimensions to horizontal. Move ahead 10 frames and modify Shift Center to -960, and create another keyframe for blurriness by clicking here. Now move your timeline slider back to the center and modify blurriness to 300. Highlight all your keyframes and right-click, select Temporal Interpolation and Bezier. Now expand Shift Center and highlight the left keyframe, then drag it down and to the right slightly, like this. Everything is ready. Let's see the result.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.